How can real estate companies present an entire residential society in a fully interactive and visually immersive way that helps buyers truly understand the project layout, buildings, amenities, and surroundings? With MAPOG, you can create interactive 3D real estate maps that help customers explore apartments, villas, amenities, and entire property layouts with better clarity and visualization. In this video, we'll learn how to create a 3D building structure map for a real estate project using MAPOG. First, head over to story.mapog.com and go to Create and Publish option. Click on Create New Map. Next, choose the With Template option. This provides a pre-built map layout that you can easily customize according to your project requirements. Now, select the category map template. Next, give your project a clear title and description. Then click on Create Map. Now let's start building the property page. In the Upload Image section of Map Settings, you can add the company logo. Scroll down to the Action Button section. Here you can add the company website and contact number. This helps display the company details clearly and makes it easier for customers to connect directly from the map. Next, to add our building to the map, go to Add Location and click on Add Manually. Before creating the building, we first need to create a business location template. To do that, click on the settings icon next to select Business Location Template and select New Type. Now, enter a name for your location type and set the geometry type to polygon. Polygons are used to accurately outline the shape and boundary of buildings or property areas on the map. This helps create realistic 3D structures and provides better visualization of the actual building layout. Then, add custom attributes such as area in square meter, price in numbers, amenities in text, social media links, and any other project details you want to display. Once done, click on Create Type. This template helps standardize and organize all property information in one structure. Now go back. We'll now create the 3D structure of the building. From the drop-down menu, select the business location template you just created. In the title field, enter a name. Add a short description explaining the facilities and features. Upload property images and fill in other attributes. Now click on the polygon tool on the map. You can search your location or just add manually. Move your cursor to one corner of the building and click to add a point. Repeat the same process by tracing the complete building boundary. Once finished, click on Confirm. Your polygon is now ready. Next, click on the pencil icon to customize the polygon. The Style Customization window will appear. From here you can choose colors from the color ramp. Adjust the polygon height to give it a 3D look. Set the zoom level. Configure the pitch view for better 3D visualization. Once everything looks good, click on Done. After reviewing the location, save it. By following the same steps, you can add multiple 3D structures such as 3 BHK flats, villas, community centers, and other amenities to create a complete interactive 3D map of your residential society or real estate project. Once multiple properties are added, organizing them becomes important. Features such as Group by Attributes allow listings to be categorized based on property types or price status. Finally, go to Preview and Share. You can keep the map public or private, generate a shareable link, embed it on your website, or invite team members using the Add User option for collaboration. And that's how you can build an interactive 3D real estate map using MAPOG. For support, reach out to us at support@mapog.com. Thanks for watching.